Okay, I'm throwing this video in here. I'm gonna do the yeah. Well, no joy. Big negative, Ghost Rider. There's no way that this thing's gonna move. So we soaked it now for 3 weeks, a month. Has it been a month? We soaked it good, soaked it hard. I got the bore camera down there. I got some video. I'll see what it looks like, and then I'll put it on there. And yeah, I tried to do the borescope, but my borescope is terrible. The thing's been terrible right from the word go. Just a piece of junk I got off Amazon, and it's pure junk. I should have sent it back. So I ordered another one. Yeah, of course, off Amazon. We'll see how that one works. That's about it right now. I'm going to put the plugs back in it, keep the river out. I'll throw some more, waste some more mystery oil in there and see what that works, but I think we're pulling the head. We're going to pull the front end off, pull the head off, and see what's going on. It's going to be a later project, so there's the update. Still waiting to figure out if we're going to be changing this out or not. I haven't even checked the oil in it. I guess I'll do some more video on it next week, and I'll check what's in there for oil, see how much water's in the oil. We haven't even done that yet. You saw last week I cracked all this stuff off. And I'm trying to tell you something right now. Here's a little clicker clue for you. I sprayed these with WD-40 right there, and there is no visible trace of it left. So the argument is WD-40 any good? For immediate, yeah, but it doesn't leave anything behind. So if you're trying to loosen stuff up, I guess that's fine. But anything exposed to the elements and it's gone. You can see there, boys and girls. There's no sign of WD-40. So I guess, there you go. That was an argument. One of the subscribers said, you know better than to use WD-40, and I was like, yeah, okay, for some things it's good. It's fine, but for other things it's just too funky, and it doesn't do the job. So anyway, we'll keep trying. I guess we're going to pull the head off, though. It's going to be one of those things. Doesn't look too bad of a job to do, so that'll be up and coming. Thanks again. Stay tuned for more video as we got it.